Hello, everyone, and welcome to the NYSERDA Clean Energy Communities Knowledge Academy. The recording you're about to view is just one in a series which aims to help educate local governments and stakeholders on how to navigate the program, complete high-impact actions, and advance clean energy projects. In the Clean Energy Communities program, local governments complete actions to earn points and gain eligibility for grants. This presentation is focused on activities associated with the Climate Smart Communities Certification High Impact Action. In this video, we will go over how to register your community, create an account, and add or manage municipality profile users. There are 2 steps to officially register as a member of the Climate Smart Communities program. The first step is to pass a formal resolution containing all 10 elements of the Climate Smart Communities Pledge. The second step is to register your community through the Climate Smart Communities portal. To check if your community has already registered, go to climatesmart.ny.gov and click anywhere on the map. You will be directed to the map of participating communities. Click the List View tab on the upper left-hand side of the page to the right of Map View. This will make it easier to check for your community. After selecting List View, scroll down to the bottom of the Filter This Map pane, where you will find the By County option in bold. Select the county in which you are searching and review the results listed. If your community is listed, then it has successfully registered as a Climate Smart community. You may then contact the municipality and ask how you can get involved. If your community has not yet registered, go back to the first step and pass a formal resolution containing all 10 elements of the Climate Smart Communities Pledge and designate an entity to be in charge of the process. Refer to the model resolution found under Actions and Certification, Getting Started, and Step 1. After your community passes the resolution, you may now head over to the portal and begin to register your community. In order to register a community, you must first create an account. To create an account, go to climatesmart.ny.gov and select Sign In from the top right. Then click Sign Up Now on the bottom right. Fill out the information requested in the window that appears. Be sure to write down your login information somewhere safe to sign in easily next time. An email will be sent to the email address provided to confirm registration. Click on the link to confirm registration, and you will be redirected back to the Climate Smart Communities portal and prompted to edit your user profile. Your name and email address will appear pre-filled from the registration in the form. Note, if you ever need to go back to edit your user profile, the left-hand menu will get you back to this page under Edit User Profile. If you're formally associated with an organization or municipality, like an appointed member of your community's Conservation Advisory Council, we recommend you include your information on this page. Click Update Account when you finish entering the information. To begin registration, select Actions and Certification from either the top or side menu bars, and then select Getting Started, and finally, Register. You will then be directed to the Register Your Local Government page. Note, to become a member of the Climate Smart Communities program, you must register. Registering does not commit you to becoming a certified Climate Smart community, but it is required in order to be identified as a registered Climate Smart community and to be added to the map of participating communities. Only organizations, municipal staff, or individuals that are formally designated to represent the government may register. Next, fill out the registration field by providing the municipal and contact information and upload a copy of your certified resolution. Select the name of the community, and please note only local governments that are not currently registered with Climate Smart Communities will be listed here in the drop-down box. Then enter your contact information as the primary contact. Finally, title and upload the certified resolution and select Submit Registration to complete registration for your community. Now you're set to get started navigating the site. This would be a good time to add a secondary contact by clicking Municipal Dashboard and editing the users. This will be described in the next section of this tutorial. Now that you've created your account and registered your community, it's time to update the municipality profile and manage users. When signed in, head over to the municipal dashboard by clicking the Dashboard button on the upper right-hand side. Once there, select Update Municipality Profile. This page allows you to add a secondary contact to the municipality's profile. Note, information entered here is publicly available to others. To manage municipality users, select Manage Municipality Users from the Municipality dashboard. This page allows you to see which users are owners and which are contributors. Both owners and contributors can upload documentation for a municipality's application, which is helpful when there's a team working together on Climate Smart Communities certification. Now that your account is all set up, you can go ahead and start viewing the actions. In the next tutorial, we will go over navigating the various types of actions and how your community can participate in Climate Smart Communities. Thank you for your participation in the NYSERDA Clean Energy Communities Knowledge Academy video series. Visit NYSERDA's website for additional resources and support and to identify the Clean Energy Communities Program Coordinator designated to your region.